welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Samara Ved and today's video is about getting your hair color done. So honestly speaking, ये ना मेरा ritual है that I get my hair color done literally every year, and trust me, I've tried everything, right from brown, ash, blonde and all sorts of techniques, balayage, highlights, global. I've tried everything, and one thing that I've seen is that one question everybody who loves getting their hair color faces is कि मैं कौन सा हेयर कलर करवाऊं and whether it will suit me or not. And honestly, I used to face the same issues in the beginning because I was so new to getting my hair colored. मैं हमेशा एक कलर तो पसंद कर लेती थी. I used to like a certain color, but I used to always get confused कि मेरे को सूट करेगा भी या नहीं करेगा. And I used to get scared कि what if the hairstylist messes up, what if this color doesn't even suit me, what if it's a big disaster, कौन सा salon choose करूँ, कौन से hairstylist को trust करूँ. And I faced all these issues, so I know what you guys are going through. That's why you guys have opened this video. Over the years of experience, after getting so many colors done, after trying so many hairstylists, after going to n number of salons, this video is completely dedicated to helping people like you who don't know how to decide the right hair color and who get really messed up in their head. So if you guys are interested and need the right guidance in getting your hair color done, step by step guidance, this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, now let me explain this theory to you. So sometimes what happens is that लोग क्या करते हैं, वो एक फोटो उठाते हैं Instagram से, they go to their stylist and वो बोलते हैं कि कलर कर दो, and the stylist does that color. The stylist does not care, and that color ends up looking like a disaster. So let me explain one thing to you. You might have seen कि इतनी बार होता है कि एक blonde color एक बंदे पे बहुत ज़्यादा सूट करता है, but वो same blonde color एक दूसरे बंदे पे कभी सूट नहीं करता. That is because हर बंदे का skin tone अलग होता है, हर बंदे का undertone अलग होता है. There are 3 types of undertone mainly: warm, neutral and cool, and there's so many skin tones, and these things matter when you're getting your hair color done. Now there are also many tests like silver versus gold jewelry test that you guys can do to understand your skin undertone and do color analysis. There are many websites that help you do color analysis. इससे क्या होता है, आपका ना you understand what your skin tone is, what your undertone is, and it helps you decide कि आप cool colors में जाओ, warm colors में जाओ, neutral colors में जाओ. And also you can also talk to your hairstylist if you feel that you trust your hairstylist, उसको experience है. You can talk to him or her, understand, tell them कि you help me कि मेरा skin tone क्या है, मेरा undertone क्या है, कौन से shades मेरे पे suit करेंगे, कौन से नहीं करेंगे. And let me show you how I do my color analysis. Okay guys, so to give you an idea, I'm using ChatGPT to understand my skin tone, my undertone and which colors might suit. So there are many unpaid and paid websites as well that you can use to understand these things and which colors might suit you. Always these analyses are not completely accurate, but they do give you a better idea and make your vision clearer. So for example, I've sent my photo to ChatGPT telling me about my skin tone, my undertone and giving me a lot of options of colors that might suit me. So it's up to me if I want to, try these colors, or I want to use more websites and see which color might suit me better. Again, there are many options, many tests that you guys can do. This is not important or a must, but this will just help you in case you guys are very confused. Okay guys, now this is when things actually start getting real. I'll be very honest with you. See, if you're getting your hair color done by a trusted hairstylist, that you trust that person, आप 2-3 साल से उसके पास जा रहे हो, 4-5 साल से जा रहे हो, बहुत बार hair color करवा लिया, उससे बहुत काम करवा लिया, तो it's a different story. But if you are getting your hair color done for the first time or you're trying a new stylist, please do not trust them. उनकी Instagram की reels अच्छी हैं, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे आपको samples भेज दिए, उन्होंने आपको 3-4 अच्छी सी reels दिखा दी कि मैंने ये color किया है, वो किया है. Bullshit. Please don't trust that person. He's a stranger to you. Please don't trust strangers. It is about your hair. You have to be extra cautious. सबसे पहले आप उसे अपना मूड बोर्ड दिखाओगे कि this is what I have in mind, this is the hair color I want to get done. If that person starts saying कि नहीं ये नहीं हो पाएगा, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, then whatever he's advising you, listen to the person. ठीक है. अब मेरे साथ एक बार ऐसे हुआ था that I wanted to get ash color done and the person told me because मेरे blonde बाल थे, इस पे ash हो नहीं सकता था, तो I heard him out कि वो क्या बोलना चाह रहा है exactly. Similarly, if you want to get a hair color done, you will first tell the person this is what you want, then listen to him. You will ask him questions, you will ask him which technique he will use, whether he's going to go for global, highlights, balayage, if your color needs bleach or not, if it needs a bleach or a blonder, which quality or company he is using, will it harm your hair, will it damage your hair, will it cause hair fall, will it cause weakening of your hair, XYZ, whatever damage it can cause. then which color will he be exactly using, which company he will be using, what volume will he be using, सब कुछ आपको ये सारे टर्म्स का मतलब मे भी पता ना हो, बट आप मेरे वीडियो देखिए, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन एंड आस्क दीज क्वेश्चंस टू योर पर्सन कि आप ये क्या क्या यूज कर रहे हो. एंड ऑनेस्टली डू नॉट ट्रस्ट द सैलॉन ऑल्सो, मेक श्योर वो आपके सामने ट्यूब्स खोल रहे हैं. अगेन यू नो इफ दैट्स अ ट्रस्टेड सैलॉन और ट्रस्टेड पर्सन, आपको ये चीजें करने की ऑब्वियसली देयर इज नो नीड. बट इफ यू आर गेटिंग इट डन फ्रॉम अ टोटल स्ट्रेंजर, check the color. Check also if you want to get ammonia free done or with ammonia done. I think ammonia free is much better, but still अगर आप ammonia वाला भी करवा रहे हो, check the tube. And if you're getting ammonia free done, please check कि you know ammonia free tube use भी हो रही है आपके कलर में या फिर नहीं. And you know उनसे एक मतलब they won't give you a guarantee, but उनसे पूछ लो कि will you be able to do the same color or not. And अपनी पूरी मतलब you know until unless you're completely satisfied, एक पूरी clarity, there should be complete clarity between you and the stylist. Okay guys, so now let me tell you कि hair color choose करना is actually fun and it's not at all boring or a big task. Now one thing that I really will advise you guys is build your mood board. So this is a super fun activity that will really help you decide which color do you exactly want. And दिमाग में या फिर safe जगहों से अच्छा, if you have a clear visual representation of what you exactly want, that will help you and your stylist both. So what you have to do is सबसे पहले Pinterest खोलो, Instagram खोलो and start taking screenshots of the colors that you like. Now for example, you know I am thinking of getting brown color done, but brown is not one shade. Brown is like another 50 shades. There's chestnut brown, there's chocolate brown, there's chocolate red brown, there's so much. So you need to take screenshots of the color that you have in your mind and actually build like a nice collage. Add your shades कि आपके दिमाग में कौन सा color है. Make a nice mood board so that everything is fixed in your mind visually and mentally when you go to your stylist, and so much easy for both of you because in case your stylist messes up, so you have a visual proof कि you know मैंने आपको ये color बोला था, fix my hair color. So this is so much fun, a very fun activity and give you a lot of clarity. Now guys, even I'm planning to get my hair color done, so let me show you how I've made my Pinterest mood board and what color I have in my mind. Okay guys, so as I said that making a mood board is a lot of fun, so you don't have to panic or take a lot of tension. Just take a day's time or 2 days time, बहुत calm होके just make a mood board. So you don't need to know the complicated names. For example, you're going in brown color or blonde color, so you don't have to know all those technical names and those technical techniques. Just have an idea, just have a clear vision what you exactly want and what you want from the hairstylist. So for example, you're going in brown color, so just start searching brown hair color on Indian skin tone and you'll get a lot of options. So whichever photos you like, just start saving them. Make like a separate file or a folder, your new hair color, named your new hair color or your hair color, and just start saving everything in that folder. And maybe if you take like a day's time or 2 days time, whatever photos you save the most, you'll make up your mind eventually that you know that this is the color you want. So this is how you'll create your vision board, and then the 5-6 photos you have shortlisted in the end, you can make a very beautiful vision board and a mood board using those, and that's going to help you a lot. Okay guys, so don't forget to stay till the end of the video. Right now I'm going to tell you the post hair care routine, but I'm also going to get my hair color done tomorrow and I'm going to share my entire experience with you guys. So stay till the end of the video please to see how I implement whatever I've taught you guys on myself as well. Coming to the post hair care routine, so the real task starts after getting your hair color done because आपको इनका ध्यान रखना, they are just like your babies, you have to take care of them according to your hairstyle. See, अब क्या होता है जब आप कलर करवा लेते हो ना, वहाँ पे stylist asks you because they have cuts वहाँ पे, so the shampoos and conditioners and the masks and the serums they have in their store, they're going to ask you to buy that कि आप ये ले लो मैम, ये बहुत अच्छा है. If you काफी बार होता है they don't even recommend you, but sometimes it is there कि बोलते हैं आप ये ले लो, but they have cut वहाँ पे. So अगर again you know like if you trust the stylist you can buy it from there as well, but again अगर आपका stylist आपको help out नहीं कर रहा, आप उससे पूछो कि you know जैसे color protectant shampoo आप मुझे 2-3 options बताओ मैं कौन सा यूज कर सकती हूँ. Ask him a good conditioner, a deep conditioner and a deep conditioning mask as well, like a nice hair mask that you can do twice a week. Also ask him कि क्या कहते हैं मुझे oiling करनी चाहिए नहीं करनी चाहिए. If you guys are getting blonde or ash color done, I'll suggest you to buy a purple or a silver shampoo immediately so that आप week में एक बार करो. And ये step में ना please delay मत करना because ना जो blonde और ash बाल होते हैं ना उसमें ये yellowपन आना start हो जाता है which makes it look very bad. तो ये ना cutter shampoos होते हैं and they make your hair dry as well, so you need a good conditioner or a deep hydrating mask for your hair as well. आप अपने स्टाइलिस्ट से रिकमेंडेशन लो वरना अपनी रिसर्च करो, यूट्यूब पे रिसर्च करो एंड फाइंड गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव्स. ऑल्सो कुछ हेयर कलर्स में कहते हैं कि ऑयलिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए, तो आस्क योर हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट कि मैं कितने टाइम बाद ऑयलिंग स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ. ऑल्सो आफ्टर गेटिंग योर हेयर कलर डन, अगर आपने ब्लीच यूज करा है या ब्लॉन्डर यूज किया, अवॉइड straightening your hair. In case you are, you know, like styling your hair, also use a heat protector, or if you have Dyson, that's the best option. So you have to take care of your hair. These are very tiny steps, tiny changes that you have to make, but it's very, very important for your hair. See, talking about my hair color experiences now. See, as I told you, I've tried almost each and every color, and touch wood, every time I've had amazing experiences. I've liked my hair ash also, blonde also, brown also, but I love them blonde the most, to be very honest with you, because I think it just suits me. It suits my skin tone, it suits my undertone. And yeah, this time I'm planning to get like a brown color done, but I'm not gonna reveal it. That's gonna be revealed in the end of the video. So stay till the end of the video to see which color I get done. It's very different from the hair colors I've usually gotten done, because मैं usually अपने बाल बहुत light रखती हूँ. But now this is going to be a very different color. I hope you guys like it, and I hope this video is helpful as well. Okay guys, now we have reached towards the end of this video. I really hope this video helped you guys, because my main aim was to help people like you who always get confused while getting their hair color done. If you have any questions about hair care, getting your hair colored, I love helping you all. So just drop a comment down below and I'll be happy to help. And for more such videos, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.